everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I have a pretty short little video for you guys, but today I am customizing my PS4 controller. Now, there was a little bit of an incident. So, the one night, I don't know, like a month or so ago, I had my PS4 up here and I had the controller. And I went to bed and put the controller to the side, but apparently it fell into Charcoal's territory. And for those of you who don't know, Charcoal is my bunny. Well, she decided to chew the little joysticks, so. She decided to chew the little joysticks, so it was... What is happening over there? Give me a second. Bunny's being bad. Anyway, so she chewed the little joysticks and the remote still worked. It's not like ruined in any way, but those were ruined. So what I decided to do was customize it. So I basically took hot glue, and some people may be cringing at this, so I guess cringe warning for what I'm about to say, but either way, it's my remote. We have plenty other ones, so it's okay. So I basically took hot glue and poured it over the Joy-Cons to basically build up what was lost. And I kind of got them smooth. They're a little lumpy, but that's okay, honestly. The remote works perfectly fine, and it doesn't matter to me anyway. So, so I put hot glue over the top, smoothed it out as best as I could. Again, a little lumpy, but that's all right. And then I let that dry, and then I went back and tried to take the hot glue gun nozzle and put it over it to smooth it out more. It got good enough. And then there is a little fishy sticker on the remote, and I figured, well, I'll just kind of go with that. So I decided to paint little sea creatures on it, and I found a color palette. I just googled blue color palette or something like that, or something, and then it brought up this beautiful blue and then orange and then this magenta color. I'm not sure, but it was really pretty. So excuse me, I just kind of went with it, and I just painted on some bubbles and a little I guess reef kind of thing. I don't know. And then I painted some sea creatures like a sea turtle and a little whale, and it was really fun. I really like it. I've been looking at it over here, but I really like it. I love the colors on it. I just think it's so cute. Yeah, this sticker was kind of already on it, so I just went with it. And then I decided to put a shiny glaze over it, or a shiny top coat over it. And I'm so happy with it. It looks so cute. And here are the little thingies. They're not the smoothest things, but they're good enough. And I am really I'm just happy with it. So that's pretty much all I have to say. It was pretty easy. I just poured glue over top of these things, smoothed it out the best I could, painted them black, then put the shiny coat over these, and I painted outlines and then just filled them in with the colors I wanted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. A little short video today. I know I said it a whole bunch of times. I'm sorry, but I don't know, I'm happy with it. It's just so cute. So that is my little customizing journey. Again, some people might be a little mad that I painted on a PS4 controller, but oh well. I did it because of art. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It was just a short little video of my little new edited PS4 remote because someone decided to chew it. So that is it. By the way, she is alright. She is fine. Nothing happened. So, alright, that is it. I'm gonna go eat, maybe get some water. I don't really know what I'm gonna go do, but I'm gonna go, and I will see all of you guys later. So please like and subscribe if you would like to, and I'll see you later. Bye!